Hi everybody, we are in the country of coconut trees. The coconut is not actually a nut, but it is in fact a drupe. Every part of the coconut can be used by humans in some way and has significant economic value. Please subscribe and like the video. Now, let's move on to our video. Coconut cultivation, harvesting, and its versatile applications. Coconuts thrive in hot and humid tropical climates. The two primary methods of harvesting coconuts are the climbing method and the safer and faster pole method. After harvest, the coconut shells are peeled to be utilized in commercial production. One valuable product delivered from coconuts is cocoa peat, obtained from the pith layers surrounding the coconut shell. In recent years, cocoa peat has gained popularity as an excellent plant growing medium. It has high absorbency and water retention, capable of making it ideal for use in greenhouses, nurseries, hydroponics, and floriculture applications. Furthermore, cocoa peat's antifungal and mold-resistant properties foster a healthy environment for plants, protecting them from diseases and root rot. Coconuts yield an array of products, including milk, cream, oil, powder, water, copra, and dried flakes. The tough coconut shell can also be used in crafting. Coastal regions in Indonesia, India, America, South Sudan, Bangladesh, and Tanzania abound with coconut palms. The locals in these areas use coconut milk in cooking, while coconut oil is cherished by women for their hair care. The processing of coconuts in factories involves reaching the interior and then utilizing various machines to produce different coconut-based products. Coconut flesh is edible and adds flavor to numerous dishes. Confusion may arise between coconut water and coconut milk. The latter is extracted from grated coconut meat and is used in cooking various dishes. Coconut milk has lower fat content compared to coconut cream and can be diluted to create milk substitutes. Furthermore, coconut flour has been developed to combat malnutrition and is used in baking. Coconut oil, known for its versatility, is commonly used in cooking, especially for frying. It can be used in liquid form or solid form, similar to butter. Additionally, coconut fiber presents an environmentally friendly alternative for producing various products like wicker rugs and robes. Humanity has explored the vast potential of coconuts and developed an impressive range of coconut-related products. In 2020, global coconut production reached 62 million tons, with Indonesia, India, and the Philippines contributing 75% of the total output.